I don't know if you're ready to hear this, but you're going about your website all wrong. Your website isn't about you. I mean, in a literal sense, yes, it is about your services, your products, whatever you are offering to your clients. But your copy and the messaging on your website should not be all about you. It should be about your clients, their problems, and how their life is going to be better thanks to you. But it's really about, hey, I know you're struggling with this. You need this kind of help. Here's what I offer to help. So in this video, we are going to fix 2 things on your website to make your website more customer focused. Now, we're not removing every detail about you. Don't go delete your about page or delete pictures of yourself. I'm not saying that we don't ever mention you, but most of your website needs to be focused around your clients and their problems. It's not a place to brag about all of your awards and certifications and stuff like that. There's a place for that, but again, most of the site needs to be about them. So first, we are going to change a lot of the I sentences into you sentences. Instead of, I offer a variety of services, blah, 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 you could change that to say, you can choose from my offers to find something that fits your needs. Now, that is a very basic, maybe not even a great example of how you can change the copy. But instead of, again, making it all about you, make it about them. You are struggling with, you need help with, you're looking for blank. You, not me. This is especially important on your homepage and on your services page. Other pages, I'm not saying it can also just be all me, but those 2 pages in particular, or if you have multiple service pages or offer pages, they really need to be you sentences. The second thing that we're going to change on your website is anticipating people's questions better, because everybody has questions. Is this for me? Is this included? Will this help this particular situation? So we want to anticipate those questions better by doing a few things. 1, we want to add more details, add more clarity on our service pages so that people can actually figure out if it's the right offer for them. So many people try to keep their sales pages really vague, or sometimes short and vague, so that they can get them on a call and explain everything. Now, if that's your thing, you can do that. I don't recommend it because a lot of people don't love getting on calls because they think they're just going to get pitched to buy this thing and not actually know if it's for them, or their questions won't actually be answered. So have more details, more specifics, and especially include pricing if you offer payment plans. Any of that kind of information is going to be super helpful. The other thing you can do is have an FAQ section at the bottom of each sales page. So yes, you could put it all on just one FAQ page, but sometimes I feel like that can be a little overwhelming, and your FAQs are probably a little different in between each offer. If you just have one offer, one product that you sell, then yes, you could just have a dedicated FAQ page. But in general, most of my clients have a few different offers, a few different sales pages. So add a quick little FAQ section at the bottom. You don't want to have a huge FAQ section because a lot of those answers should really be in the copy higher up on the page. The last thing that you can do is add some content to your website. Blogs, videos, podcasts. This is going to help demonstrate your authority, and it's going to answer those questions that people have. People are going to have those questions. They want to see if you know what you're talking about. They want to know that this person is credible. You would be surprised, or maybe not, at how often I've had clients tell me, yeah, I read your blog post, I watched you on YouTube, I listened to your podcast, I followed you on Instagram, whatever, and I saw that you knew what you were talking about. And so I knew you were a credible source and I wanted to work with you. Content demonstrates authority, and you need to have that on your website. As a bonus, it's also good for SEO. So It's not just about creating content for the sake of it. It helps with authority, it helps anticipate questions, and it helps with SEO. So it's time to make those changes. You can probably knock out the changing all the I's to U's this afternoon, sometime this week. Shouldn't really take you too long. You can use maybe one of those AI tools to help you reword some sentences. I just did a video about ChatGPT if you want to check that out. And then maybe in the next few weeks, you can start adding those FAQs, start blogging, start adding content to your website. If you have questions, let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up, and I will see y'all next time.